So let's check the creek this morning. There's a lot of people there at the creek right now. Even do the laundry and wash their dishes. Look at them, there are many. It's been flooding yesterday and it's really big. So this time there's a lot of people because yesterday they can't able to do their laundry because of the flood. So right now there's a lot of people. It's the other side too, guys, because still no water at the barangay right now. So there's a lot of them over there, so you can see. And there's a lot of people, some kids. Oh. And they're enjoying this. They saw me here. Mang buntag. Good morning, bro. So as you can see, the water in the creek right now is clear, and take out all the dirt because it's been flooding yesterday. So it's more enjoyable, guys, if you do your laundry there, you wash your clothes, and there's a lot of people to do some marites or gossiping. Let's check our plants here. So my father has been planting some eggplant here, this side here. And there's pepper. Some pepper here. Pepper plant. And over there too. There's more pepper over there. And we have this lime tree that is not bearing some fruit yet. It's not ready. So let's check at the back side of our house. We have a lot of papaya tree here. And we have a lot of spinach over there where the creek is. There's a lot of spinach. We call it kangkong or morning glory. And we have a lot of banana tree also in this side here. And there's more banana tree there. So let's check our turkey, guys. Naman, kurang tayo laban na tayo. Magkuhan sa video. There's Midnight there. Midnight. Hello, Midnight. How are you this morning? So look at our turkey, guys. Our two turkeys over here. We turned them loose outside. Look at how pretty they are. Oh, this is the male one. And the female is the white one. Hi, good morning. Good morning. They are so very pretty. Look at that. They're just strolling around here in our place. And every night we put them at the coop to make them more safer in the night time. In the daytime, we turn them loose here outside. Look at that, guys. How pretty they are. Lovebirds. And it's so funny because the other day, the female one, she been over there at the top of our roof. I was asking to my mama that, who's that sounds on the roof? I thought it's the cat, but it's the female turkey. She's been over there at the top of the roof, guys. It's really funny how she jumped there, and it's a little bit high. As you can see, that's the roof that she climbed. Hi, good morning. So we just bought this one from our neighbor here, and it's not really expensive when we bought these two turkeys. Look at that, they are getting more bigger. So let's check. Oh, Midnight. Midnight is so sweet because she keeps following with me wherever I go here outside. She always behind me. Look at the creek right now there. There's more water now in the creek because it's been few months. It's been the creek is only small water, and now there's more water there now, as you can see. In the summertime, the creek almost no water at all. They're over there. Turkey is over there. So I'm gonna go inside the coop also. Let's check some of our chicken in the coop. Look at them. Oh my. Hi. Hi there. This one, so cute. She wants to stay close with the male one. So we called the female Gracie, the white one. We called her Gracie, and the male one we called him George. So Gracie and George, J and G, because my husband is George, and I am Grace. So G and G, Gracie and George. Look at that, guys. So the real name of my husband is George. Pete is his nickname. So we called Gracie and George. Lovebirds. So the female one, she started to go inside in the coop. So we have some chickens here that we torn them loose too. So we just open this gate in the morning time, in the daytime, and we close them in the night time because we still have some chickens here inside in the coop, but not a lot. Some of them are small chicks. So our chicken coop now, guys, is lonely because not a lot of chickens. And my sister Dominga, she put her two goats in this side here in the pullet pen because this is much more space. She have two female goats, so she put it here this side here. But right now they put it on the other side where a lots of grass that they can eat. So our chicken coop right now is not so excited. I mean, not so many chickens because we sold them. A lot of them we sold. Most of our chickens also that we put here, they are outside. They're just strolling around outside. So I miss them, guys. I really do. I miss our chickens that we've been selling. And we have no choice because that's what life is. We just don't have good luck on our chickens. So it's really hard for us. But we'll still need to stay positive all the time. I know it's just a trials for us. Look at them, guys. This is so pretty. This is the white one. Oh, we have a lot of, look at that, guys, that fruit. I forgot what you, grapefruit. Yeah, that's a grapefruit because we called it buongon in Bisaya. So that's a grapefruit there. It's really good. My husband really likes it. Well, it's not ready to harvest. So it's not ready to harvest yet. Oh, there's some here in the ground. Show you guys what it looks like. So look at this one. This is the look outside in the grapefruit. Look at that. And this one is not ready. It just fell off from the tree, but it's not ready yet. It's not. I know inside it will be sour and better taste. But my husband really likes it. So some of our chickens are here. We have some lemon grass here outside in our coop also. That's the mango of my grandmother there, my grandma's mango. It not bear a lot of fruits this year. Only small fruit this year. Not a lot. There's kalamungay tree. Looks very healthy. More kalamungay tree outside at our coop. So let's go back there at the house because I need to eat breakfast, guys. So this morning we have some gravy, and my husband has been making some biscuits this morning for our breakfast, and we had some gravy and biscuits and some eggs and bacon. So it's really good. So look at these flowers here. So pretty. So pretty, guys. So later, the mechanic will be coming to our house to fix the van because we need to change the tensioner bearing of our van because it's been making a lots of noise. So the parts arrived yesterday. That's what we picked up yesterday when we went to San Carlos too. We just dropped there at Valle Hermoso to pick up the package, the tensioner bearing. Oh my god, midnight is over there, the top of the roof. Look at her. Midnight! Midnight! So let's go down here. It's been raining hard yesterday. And look at this flower here. It's so pretty. Let's go, Mamela. Flower. Very pretty. Ha? I-washing na imong sanina. I told to my mama to wash, use the washing machine to wash her clothes. And she said that she likes to wash it by hands. Most of the Filipino prefer to wash it by hands because they not trust the washing machine. Because when they use the washing machine, the dirt is still there on the clothes. So they prefer to use it by hands, to wash it by hands. It's really funny. But on the Virgil's uniform, I actually wash it by hands because it's so dirty and you know it's white clothes, a lot of stains, and we need to make sure that it's very clean. I need to wash my feet because it's so dirty from the mud there. Buttons, hi Buttons. Hi Buttons. Buttons is over there. One of our cat. Lots of mud on my slippers too. Need to rinse it off. Need to rinse the mud. So let's go back to the house. So my husband right now is taking a nap after he eat his breakfast because that medicine for the blood pressure that I gave to him makes him sleepy after he take that one. So that's why. Oh, Cookie, there's Cookie there. Cookie pie. Oh, she can jump over now here where the gate is. So we need to make sure that the gates is always closed because Cookie can go down now here. She can go down on these stairs here. Over there, she can go down. Come here, Cookie, come here. Oh, Buttons. Buttons and Cookie. Oh, she looks so more pretty after she had the grooming yesterday. We went to San Carlos for the grooming and they gave them a bath, and after that they cut the nails and cut the bangs, cut her bangs. Now I can see her face now. Cookie, look at the camera, Cookie. Look at Cookie, guys. Pretty, so pretty, Cookie. You're so pretty, Cookie. You're so pretty. Hello. So some of the video of my husband, I am the one who take because it's really hard for him to go outside here our house, and also the ground is very muddy. So this is Cookie's toys, guys. We bought them more toys that she can play. She can, oh, look at this one, Cookie. And she loved this bottle. Look at this, guys. See, I'm gonna give this empty bottle to her. Cookie, look at Cookie. Here, Cookie, here, Cookie. Look at how she likes this one. She likes it because of the sounds that bottle when. Look at that. She's enjoying the bottle. She loves to play this one. Look. And when she get tired, she just drink some water and lay down there at the under the chair of my husband over there, the other side. Give it to mommy. Give it to mommy. Oops. She's a sweet puppy. Very, very sweet. She even behave yesterday when she have the grooming. The person that do the grooming, he told me that, oh, your puppy is really good because she not give me a hard time. I'm so happy because Cookie is well behaved. And when she saw me at the window where they do the grooming, in the glass window, she saw me. Oh my gosh, she's very excited to see me, guys, because it takes about like almost 2 hours to finish that grooming. And when I step inside and she saw me in the glass window, oh my gosh, she's very excited and she's like very happy, and she even jumped over there. And the guy told me that I need to hide because Cookie, he can't let Cookie finish because Cookie is keep moving and because she's excited to see me. Oh, you lost your bottle. You put it here. Over here. Cookie, come here. Here. Where's your bottle? She really enjoyed that bottle there. That empty bottle. Cookie! Hi, Cookie! Cookie pie! Hopefully we can get some sunshine today because last night we switched to the grid because of the weather. Yesterday it's been raining and it's not really fully charged our battery last night, so we switched to the grid, and now we're using solar because it's a little bit sunshine this morning. Hopefully the weather will be good today. It will be nice so that we can able to use free electricity. And the volcano did not show up today. It's on that side there. Normally it showed up every day, but this morning it not show up. So look at it, guys. Cookie! Hey! And we put these pads here for Cookie that she can pee or poop, and she's really good on that. Every time when she's going to pee, she just walk down here at the back side, and this is where she normally pee or poop, this side here. So she not really give us a hard time doing that, and it maintains the cleanliness of the house too. I always change the pads in the time it get dirty and clean that area there all the time. She's over there. And last night when we were playing with him inside in the living room, we put her at the couch, and it's really funny because she tried her best not to pee when I put her at the floor. When we already finished playing there at the couch, I put her at the floor, and she go walk down there at the rugs and she pee over there. She's really good because she not even pee at the couch at the time. Look at her. Hey Cookie, hey Cookie, what are you doing on there? Baby girl, baby girl, baby girl, hi baby girl, Cookie needs to have more attentional time with us. Every time that we ignore here, she just lay down there under my husband's chair, and she just feels sad, looks so sad because sometimes I'm so busy her in the house, and I not even give her more attention. So she's a little bit like feels sad. And when the time that I give her attention, she's the one who ignore me. She ignored me because I not give her some attention. But when the time that she's a little bit like wants to be with me, she just run to me and give me a like a nice hug. Come on, Cookie, come on, Cookie Pie. She's really sweet puppy, and even my husband really enjoyed here because every morning that's what she do. She always go there, sit beside with my husband. Especially, she always sit there where my husband's chair, under the chair, and always touch my husband's feet every time when my husband get up. She always follow with him. She's really a sweet puppy, guys. And look at what Bottom's doing over there. Bottoms, you're so relaxed in there. One of our cat. She's so relaxed in there. And the funny part of our cat, guys, is we brought them some treats and they don't even like it. They don't like to eat the treats that we bought. They prefer the rice or some other foods than the treats that we bought. Bottom is a rat hunter. It's over there, relax, waiting for the foods. So guys, I think that's all for today's video. We're gonna do again some more videos soon. We really do appreciate for all the love and support and for all the nice comments. And to our new subscribers, we really do appreciate all of you guys for subscribing my husband's YouTube channel. So we're gonna do more videos again soon. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And don't forget to smile all the time, guys. Life is too short. So see you on our next video. Thank you so much again.